guys, welcome back to another Civilians video. Today I'm showing you how to assemble our 3-tier wheel ring dessert stand that you can use to instantly elevate a dessert table at your next event. Let's begin. This dessert stand comes with a pair of dowels, 2 rings, 3 shelves, and a total of 16 screws. Start by attaching the lower dowel to one of the rings. Use a hex key to tighten it in place. Next, attach the upper dowel. Now attach the shelves to the ring. Once all 3 levels are securely attached to one ring, connect the second ring and fasten it to the rest of the stand using the remaining screws. This 3-tier wheel ring dessert stand is the perfect addition to any dessert table. From casual get-togethers to formal affairs, this dessert stand is sure to enhance any tablescape. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time.